The latest flagship on the block, Xiaomi's Mix 2S, is an updated and upgraded version of the stunning Mix 2. We got a chance to check out the phone for a bit after its launch in China. Follow along for a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Mix 2S. The outer packaging of the Mi Mix 2S is minimal like that of the Mix 2. There's not much to see here other than a plain black box that has the words Mix written on it. Over at the back you'll spot some more info about the variant, which in this case is the 8GB RAM 256GB storage variant. Pop open the box and you have a note on the top. Now this is in Chinese and well, we don't really know what it says. Under it is the phone, of course. On the right hand side you can see the USB Type-C cable as well as the charger. Bundling in a quick charge 3.0 compatible charger is a welcome addition. Other additions in the box include the requisite SIM ejector tool in addition to the USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. There's even a case bundled in with the phone. Now coming to the hardware itself, the Mix 2S is really similar to the existing Mix 2. Xiaomi has kept its winning formula and the Mix 2S is a stunning piece of engineering. Up front you've got the 5.99-inch Full HD Plus IPS screen. This is an 18:9 panel that looks tack sharp, rich in contrast and bright enough. Below it is a chin that houses the 5MP front-facing camera. Yes, it still looks up your nose. I for one like the fact that there's no notch here, but it really comes down to your design preferences. The right side of the phone has the volume rocker and power button. Between the glass front and ceramic back lies the aluminium frame. Now along the bottom edge is the USB Type-C connector as well as the speaker grill. The left hand side houses dual nano SIM slots. And interestingly, Xiaomi has gotten rid of the infrared port up at the top. Coming to the back, the Mix 2S in white is downright gorgeous. The ceramic back resists scratches. Meanwhile, around the camera you'll find a silver border. Almost imperceptible, the Mix 2S is 0.4mm thicker due to the built-in wireless charging support. Now the back is where the biggest changes lie, and as you can see, it's pretty different from the regular Mix 2. The phone sports a dual camera array. There's a 12MP Sony IMX363 sensor paired with an f1.8 lens and 4-axis optical image stabilization. This is in addition to another 12MP telephoto lens that can assist with portrait mode. The phone gets AI-based scene detection as well. We briefly tested out the camera and came away pretty impressed. Despite being a prototype, the camera is very well optimized and shots look good. Portrait mode was not functional in this early build, so we'll reserve judgment on that. For now, here's some sample shots. Internally, the phone is powered by a Snapdragon 845 chipset paired with 6 or 8GB of RAM. This particular unit had 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The operating system is MIUI 9.5 built on top of Android Oreo. Yes, it's the same MIUI that you're used to and we couldn't really spot anything new here. More on this in our review. Performance of course was rock solid as you would expect from the flagship grade specs. So that was a quick hands-on of the Mi Mix 2S, Xiaomi's latest flagship. The phone is priced between 3299 and 3999 yuan in China. There's no word on an Indian release date. This was Robotani from PhoneArena.com. Thanks for watching.